Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two popular personal finance platforms, NerdWallet and EveryDollar. Whether you're looking to track your spending, build a budget, or plan for the future, understanding the strengths and weaknesses of these tools is crucial. Let's explore which one will save you more in 2025. First up, NerdWallet. NerdWallet is like the Swiss Army knife of personal finance. It was built to be an all-in-one financial education and product comparison hub. Whether you're shopping for a high-yield savings account, researching mortgage rates, choosing a new credit card, or checking your credit score, NerdWallet has tools, calculators, and up-to-date expert content for it. One thing that sets NerdWallet apart is its focus on financial literacy. You're not just given recommendations, you're taught the why behind them. It's perfect for those who want to make confident, well-informed money decisions. Now to EveryDollar. EveryDollar, on the other hand, is a purpose-built budgeting app created by Ramsey's Solutions. Yes, the team behind Dave Ramsey's Financial Peace University. It's based on the principle of zero-based budgeting, where every dollar you earn is given a job. This method is especially useful for folks who want to take complete control over their finances, pay off debt, and give every penny a purpose. Unlike NerdWallet, which is more of an information and comparison platform, EveryDollar is all about execution, tracking your money, setting goals, and sticking to your monthly plan. Now let us talk about the main features of the platforms. First, NerdWallet. Credit score monitoring, free score updates and credit report insights, smart production recommendations. There are tailored suggestions for credit cards, loans, and banks based on your profile. Calculators galore. From mortgage calculators to compound interest tools are available, which is great for planners. Educational resources. Articles, guides, and how-tos across nearly every financial topic. And how about EveryDollar? Zero-based budgeting. You can allocate every dollar with intention. Goal tracking. You can monitor debt payoff, savings goals, or big purchases. Bank integration. You can automatically sync and track your transactions. Ramsey Plus perks. You have access to courses like Financial Peace University, Baby Steps Tracker, and group coaching. Now let us talk about the pricing of both platforms. NerdWallet is completely free to use. They make money through affiliate partnerships and ads, which means it can recommend products, but that's also how you access all the tools at no cost. And for EveryDollar, there's a free version, which offers manual expense tracking and basic budgeting. And of course, there's a paid version. You learn more about this when you create an account with them and you log in. Under the paid plan, you get offers like bank syncing, priority support, and access to Ramsey Plus content like videos, tools, and community features. Now let's discuss the pros and cons of using NerdWallet and EveryDollar. We start with NerdWallet. The pros. It is totally free. There's massive amount of financial content, and there's easy comparison of financial products. No sign up is required to use the tools. And how about the pros of EveryDollar? There's a clean, intuitive budgeting layout. It is built around a proven financial system. The premium version connects to your bank accounts, and it also includes motivational resources and learning tools. How about the cons? For NerdWallet, there's lack of hands-on budgeting or money management. It can feel ad-heavy or product pushy at times, and there is no mobile-first money tracking experience. And the cons of EveryDollar? The free version requires manual entry of every transaction, and there's a paid subscription which is not ideal for everyone. It doesn't offer much outside of budgeting. You don't have anything like investing or maybe credit tools. So which is better, NerdWallet or EveryDollar? Don't forget, NerdWallet is like the Swiss Army knife of personal finance. It has an all-in-one financial education and product comparison hub. So if you're looking to compare products, you can use NerdWallet. But if you're looking to do budgeting, EveryDollar is for you because EveryDollar is a purpose-built budgeting app created by Ramsey's. EveryDollar is based on the principle of zero-based budgeting, where every dollar you earn is given a job. And with this, it helps you take control over your finances, pay off debt, and give every penny a purpose. It all depends on your personal needs. And that's it on the review of NerdWallet and EveryDollar. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.